What principle underpins the classification of AI systems in the EU IAPP? A. Risk-based approach. B. Technology-first approach. C. Functionality-based classification. D. Deployment scale classification. Correct answer. A. Risk-based approach. Which framework provides guidelines for the inclusion of safety aspects in AI standards? A. ISO, IEC Guide 51B, NIST AIRMFC, IEEE 700021D, Singapore Model AI Governance Framework. Correct answer. A. ISO, IEC Guide 51. Which of the following best describes the importance of understanding the socio-technical system aspect of AI? A. It highlights the need for AI systems to operate independently of societal contexts. B. It underscores the relevance of technical factors while disregarding social implications. C. It emphasizes the integration of AI within societal, cultural, and ethical considerations. D. It suggests focusing solely on the technological advancement of AI systems. Correct answer. C. It emphasizes the integration of AI within societal, cultural, and ethical considerations. What is the role of cross-disciplinary collaboration in the development of AI systems? A. It is unnecessary as long as the technical specifications are met. B. It diminishes the efficiency of AI system development. C. It ensures that AI systems are developed with comprehensive perspectives, including UX, anthropology, sociology, and linguistics. D. It solely focuses on the legal and ethical implications, ignoring the technical aspects. Correct answer. C. It ensures that AI systems are developed with comprehensive perspectives, including UX, anthropology, sociology, and linguistics. An AI system is being developed to optimize traffic flow in a smart city. Which of the following steps is crucial for responsible AI governance in this context? A. Ignoring the potential impact on public transportation systems. B. Developing the system with input only from traffic engineers. C. Including stakeholders from diverse fields such as urban planning, environmental science, and public safety. D. Focusing solely on the technological capabilities of the AI system without considering its urban application. Correct answer. C. Including stakeholders from diverse fields such as urban planning, environmental science, and public safety. How does the OECD framework classify AI systems? A. Based solely on their technological sophistication. B. By their intended use cases and benefits. C. According to the complexity of their algorithms. D. Based on their economic impact. Correct answer. B. By their intended use cases and benefits. What constitutes a high-risk AI system under the EU IAPP? A. Any AI system that utilizes machine learning. B. AI systems classified based on the deployment scale. C. Systems that pose significant risks to people's rights and safety. D. All AI systems developed within the European Union. Correct answer. C. Systems that pose significant risks to people's rights and safety. In the context of AI development, what is the significance of model cards or fact sheets? A. They are marketing tools to promote AI systems. B. They detail the technical specifications of AI models for developers only. C. They provide transparency about the AI model's capabilities, limitations, and intended use to all stakeholders. D. They are confidential documents for internal use by AI developers. Correct answer. C. They provide transparency about the AI model's capabilities, limitations, and intended use to all stakeholders. A healthcare organization is implementing an AI system for diagnostic support. What aspect of AI governance is critical to address concerns about data privacy? A. The exclusive focus on improving diagnostic accuracy. B. Prioritizing the speed of diagnosis over patient confidentiality. C. Implementing privacy-preserving machine learning techniques. D. Limiting the use of AI to non-sensitive medical conditions. Correct answer. C. Implementing privacy-preserving machine learning techniques. What is a core principle of responsible AI governance in the context of post-deployment monitoring? A. Discontinuing the monitoring of AI systems once they are deployed. B. Ensuring continuous improvement, tuning, and retraining of AI systems with new data and feedback. C. Focusing solely on the financial benefits of deployed AI systems. D. Ignoring feedback from AI system users and other stakeholders. Correct answer. B. Ensuring continuous improvement, tuning, and retraining of AI systems with new data and feedback. Correct answer. C. Determining business objectives. What does interoperability of AI risk management ensure in relation to other operational risks? A. It ensures exclusive focus on AI risks. B. It integrates AI risks with security, privacy, and business risks. C. It prioritizes AI risks over other risks. D. It isolates AI risk management from other forms of risk management. Correct answer. B. It integrates AI risks with security, privacy, and business risks. In the context of responsible AI governance, what is the significance of adopting a pro-innovation mindset? A. It focuses solely on risk mitigation. B. It emphasizes strict adherence to existing laws without considering future developments. C. It encourages the exploration of AI's potential benefits while managing risks. D. It discourages cross-disciplinary collaboration for AI development. Correct answer. C. It encourages the exploration of AI's potential benefits while managing risks. 6. What role does an AI governance infrastructure play in an organization? A. It only provides technical guidelines for AI development. B. It establishes a framework for ethical decision-making and accountability. C. It limits the scope of AI projects to pre-approved use cases. D. It solely focuses on financial aspects of AI projects. Correct answer. B. It establishes a framework for ethical decision-making and accountability. A company is planning to deploy an AI system that automates loan approvals. What is a crucial step they should take to ensure responsible AI governance? A. Focus only on maximizing the efficiency of the AI system. B. Prioritize the system's speed over accuracy and fairness. C. Establish clear roles and responsibilities among AI governance stakeholders. D. Exclude potential users from the development and testing processes. Correct answer. C. Establish clear roles and responsibilities among AI governance stakeholders. How does the history of AI influence current developments in AI governance? A. It shows a linear progression without any periods of stagnation. B. It underlines the importance of continuous technological innovation without considering ethical implications. C. It highlights the cyclical nature of AI advancements and the need for adaptable governance frameworks. D. It suggests that past failures in AI development can be ignored in current governance strategies. Correct answer. C. It highlights the cyclical nature of AI advancements and the need for adaptable governance frameworks. What is the significance of understanding the differences between strong, broad, and weak, narrow AI? A. It ensures all AI systems are treated equally under the law. B. It helps in designing governance frameworks that are oblivious to the type of AI. C. It aids in tailoring governance strategies to the capabilities and impacts of different AI systems. D. It promotes a uniform approach to risk management across all AI systems. Correct answer. C. It aids in tailoring governance strategies to the capabilities and impacts of different AI systems. Which component is essential in the AI system design phase for ensuring data privacy and security? A. Focusing exclusively on the algorithm, S performance. B. Ignoring the source and quality of training data. C. Implementing a data strategy that includes data anonymization and minimization. D. Limiting the involvement of cross-disciplinary experts in the design process. Correct answer. C. Implementing a data strategy that includes data anonymization and minimization. In the context of AI impacts on society, what constitutes a core risk? A. Enhanced efficiency in task execution. B. Potential harms to democratic processes and public trust. C. The ability of AI to perform tasks without human intervention. D. The cost-effectiveness of AI systems compared to human labor. Correct answer. B. Potential harms to democratic processes and public trust.